Hey guys, this is X-Wing478 and I'm going to do a review on the Rebel Trooper Battle Pack. New one. So, yeah, just going to show you. So, the age is 6 to 12, 79 pieces, number 8083. 8083. Now, yeah, I don't have the box anymore. So, for the minifigure. Rebel Hoss Trooper. Yeah. Very cool. It's a good Rebel arm builder. Yeah. Show them. You can put their visor down. But yeah, that's right. Comes with Zevs and Escop. Hard it. And officer. Now for the vehicle. Yeah, there. Turret up. Oh, wait. It came off. Good. Yeah, so it can go up, down, 360 degrees. Can shoot missiles. Useful. Well, not this one. Yeah, you can put a guard there, and his gun there, little hole, and the guard here. Even with a backpack, because instead of putting him here, put him here. Backpack. Yeah, can put guns in there, can take it out. And you can do like a scout stuff. Take this out. Turret out. There. Out of the vehicle. Yeah. So that's it. I'm gonna put back this one. Just here. And another one. Or there's a camera here. Good. Yeah, so nice 2011-2010 box. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you minifigures again. Yeah, so that's it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. This was X-Wing478. Bye, guys.